Ready mo? Yan, we're on our way to Fujairah, to sa Snoopy Island. After 1 hour, nasa tamang daan na ata kami. There you go. I don't know saan na kami, but somewhere
out there.
Somewhere in Corpacan. Somewhere. I don't know. Ampay yung road mapan Corpacan siguro.
At the roundabout, take the third
Sa
exit.
Corpacan, pero may aberya. Kalimutan mag-gas. We're blinking. Oh my God. Abot kaya mo?
In 400 meters,
When they're
at the
dyan.
roundabout,
Satang ang bigma ba? Diba? Gabay,
Hindi.
Padyaan mo ni Kwa. Anyways. No, we can.
at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Ba? Paiso ka nga.
Hindi.
Kahit ako nang naglaing ka dyan mo. I think we can make it. Are we gonna make it mo?
Yes.
Go mo, wag na tayo maligaw.
In 200 meters, exit right.
Oh my God. Exit right mo.
Pwede ka.
Exit right. Yes!
Exit right.
Exit right, yes! Oh my God. From the first tunnel until here, umabot pa. Thank you, Lord.
You have reached your destination.
Yay! Tan-tan!
Paano nga ito special dito? Special. Okay. Special.
We made it. We made it, guys. We made it. Yes, Mo. You can breathe. We made it. Nawadong kabado sila. Imagine here, from the bridge until here. Ilang kilometers din yun, ha? Lesson learned, pag may makitang gasolinahan, magpagas.
A few moments later.
Good morning. Yun. Tulog pa kasama ko. Oh, good. Anyway, we are here at Aqah Beach sa Fujairah. Ito na Snoopy Island. Ayun. May mountain sa likod. Marami ding nagka-camp dito mga karapan. Ito yung camp namin. Yung camp namin, may banig lang. Single lang ng trolley. Yan ang view. We have mountains. And the beach. And then yung Snoopy Island. Ganda. Morning. Tara na swimming. Tara na mag-swimming bago mainit. Puyat na puyat, oh. Morning. Outfit. Kasi suit na ako. matching short, baka conservative dito. Going to scuba. Ay, char. Scuba? Try namin mag-snorkeling. Wala. Ano mo? Yan, may binili akong snorkel sa noon. Alam. Para akong si Dory. Kapag mata nakiisbo na dito ka, bigla dang pukaw dami. Ayan. Sunblock kahit walang araw. Yung ko na masunburn ay. Sukaan? Are you ready? Okay guys, we will attempt to go snorkeling. Good luck. Buhangin na.
A few moments later.
We're back. It's a fail. The water's too cold. We'll go later. Lamig ng tubig. Here comes the sun. Makita. Alin. We're going to the water.